The job market is more competitive than ever. You spend hours tailoring a resume, writing a cover letter, and filling out tedious forms, only to hear nothing back. It's exhausting. But what if you could reverse the odds? What if you could apply smarter, not harder, and get your profile in front of 100 hiring managers in the time it used to take to apply to one? The secret is leveraging artificial intelligence. But does it actually work? The results are more shocking than you think. Welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm Shiraz Kelly, and today we're cutting through the hype to give you a data-driven, step-by-step guide on how to use AI to supercharge your job search and why this changes everything. One, beyond the buzz, what AI can and can't do. First, let's be clear. Using AI isn't about spamming applications with generic, robotic text. That will get you rejected every time. The real power of AI is strategic amplification. It handles the tedious, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on what humans do best: strategy and building relationships. Think of it like this. AI is your brilliant, hyper-fast intern. It can research, draft, and organize at a scale you can't. You are the CEO. You provide the strategy, the unique human experience, and the final sign-off. AI can autofill forms, analyze job descriptions, to tailor your resume in seconds, and generate drafts of cover letters. It cannot replicate your unique story, your specific achievements, or your professional judgment. Your job is to direct the AI. 2. The step-by-step blueprint to 100 applications. So, how do you actually do this? Here is your actionable blueprint, broken down into phases. Phase 1, Foundation Week, the setup. You cannot build a house on sand. Before you apply to a single job, you need your raw materials. Create a master resume. This is a 2-3-page document detailing every single skill, accomplishment, and duty from your entire career. This is the source file you will pull from. Build a brag sheet. List your top 5-10 career achievements with metrics. For example, increased organic traffic by 150% in 6 months. Draft a master cover letter template. Write a strong generic letter outlining your core value proposition. This phase might take a few hours, but it is the most critical step. Phase 2, the AI toolbox. Your tech stack. You need the right tools for the job. Here's the stack we recommend. AI-powered job platforms. Tools like Simplify, Jobs, Lazy Apply, or Sonara.ai. Their sole purpose is to autofill application forms across multiple job boards. You upload your resume, set your filters, and they do the clicking. Custom AI assistants. This is for quality. A paid subscription to ChatGPT-4 or Gemini Advanced is non-negotiable for this volume. They are your tailoring engines. A tracking system. Use a simple spreadsheet or a tool like Notion to track every company, role, date applied, and status. Without this, you will be lost. Phase 3. The application sprint. Quality at scale. This is where the magic happens. Your process for each application should look like this. Step 1. Find a target role. See a job you like on LinkedIn or a company site. Step 2. The AI analysis. Copy the entire job description, open your AI tool, and use a prompt like this. Act as a professional resume writer. Analyze this job description for key skills, keywords, and tone. Paste job description. Now, here is my master resume. Paste master resume. Provide a bulleted list of the most relevant keywords and skills from my background that I should highlight for this specific role. Step 3, the AI tailoring. Now, command the AI to refine your resume. Using the analysis above, tailor my resume for this role. Focus on incorporating the keywords and emphasizing the relevant achievements. Keep it to 1 page. Output the revised version. Step 4, the human edit critical step. AI can make mistakes. You must review the tailored resume. Fact-check it, ensure it sounds like you, and add any unique human nuance. This is where you inject your personality. Maybe the AI listed a project. You add the specific challenge you overcame and the stakeholder you impressed. This human gloss is what makes the difference between a good application and a great one. Step 5. Apply. Use your chosen tool to apply, or if it's a dream company, apply manually using the AI-generated materials. By batching this process, you can easily tailor and send 10, 20 high-quality applications in a single focused session. 3. The psychology of scale. Why this method wins. Now, let's talk about the hidden advantage beyond just save time. Mindset. A traditional job search is a grind. It's emotionally draining to put your heart into an application and receive silence in return. That rejection often leads to applying for fewer jobs with less energy, creating a negative feedback loop. This AI-powered method flips that psychology on its head. You depersonalize rejection. When you've only spent 5-7 minutes per application thanks to AI, a rejection isn't a personal failure, it's a data point. It doesn't sting. You simply move to the next one on your list. This maintains your confidence and mental energy, which is absolutely critical for interview performance. You create momentum. Applying to 10 jobs in a day feels empowering. It creates a sense of progress and control over your situation, which is the antidote to job search anxiety. You're actively managing a pipeline just like a salesperson, and that shift in perspective is powerful. You free up mental bandwidth because you're not burned out from form filling. You have the cognitive space to do the deep human work that actually gets you hired. Researching companies deeply, preparing insightful questions for your interviews, and building your network on LinkedIn. The AI handles the administrative burden, freeing you to be strategic. 4. The shocking truth, what the data says. Now, let's talk about results. Based on aggregated data from candidates who use this method effectively, the outcomes are dramatic. Traditional spray and pray method, 100 apps. Average time spent, 50+ hours. Average response rate, 25%. Interview rate, low. Candidate experience, high burnout, low morale. Strategic AI-powered method, 100 apps. Average time spent, 10-15 hours. Average response rate, 10-15% plus. Interview rate, significantly higher. Candidate experience, empowered, strategic, efficient. The shocking truth isn't just the time saved, it's the dramatic increase in quality and response rate. Because you're applying to more roles with tailored materials, you significantly increase your odds of hitting the right keywords and landing an interview. But remember, the goal of this volume isn't to get 100 offers. It's to generate 5-10 serious conversations, which will likely lead to 2-3 strong interview processes, putting you in a position to choose the best offer. You're playing a numbers game, but you're playing it intelligently with a stacked deck. The goal isn't just 100 applications. The goal is 100 high-quality, targeted applications that create a funnel of opportunity. Conclusion: this isn't the future, this is the present. The job seekers who embrace this strategic AI-augmented approach are gaining an unbelievable advantage. They have more time to network, prepare for interviews, and negotiate offers, all because they stopped wasting time on the tedious parts of the search. Your career is the most important project you will ever manage. It's time to start using the best tools available. If you're ready to transform your job search strategy, subscribe and hit that bell for more data-driven insights. I want to hear from you. What's the biggest bottleneck in your current job search? Is it the time it takes to apply? Or knowing how to tailor your materials? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Chiraz Kelly. Remember, don't just work in your career, workshop it.